In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a follow-up task in Asana. Follow-up tasks in Asana are incredibly handy for managing your workload and keeping track of the tasks you need to stay on top of, especially those assigned to others. Think of them as your personal reminders to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. This process is wonderfully straightforward, so let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. To begin, you'll want to locate the specific task for which you need a follow-up. Maybe it's a task assigned to a team member or something you've delegated, and you just want to ensure it progresses smoothly. Find the task within your Asana project and give it a click. Doing so will open up the Details panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you get a comprehensive view of the task's specifics, from due dates to assignees, and any other pertinent information that's been included. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this Details panel. You're looking for an icon that resembles 3 dots. It might remind you of a mini stack of dots. This is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu appears, presenting various actions you can take. What you want to select from this menu is the option that says Create Follow-Up Task. This feature is a powerful tool in maintaining your workflow efficiently. Upon selecting Create Follow-Up Task, Asana does something really neat. It automatically generates a follow-up task for you and includes a link back to the original task. This linkage ensures that you can easily reference the task you're monitoring and quickly navigate back if needed. It's a seamless way to tie tasks together without cluttering your project view. At this point, you might want to add some additional context or notes to your new follow-up task. Make use of Asana's functionalities here. You can add descriptive text, format your notes, and even attach relevant files or documents if they're part of what you need to review or remember. This is your chance to customize the task to suit your needs, ensuring that all relevant information is at your fingertips when it's time to review. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, simply click the Create Task button. Congratulations! Your follow-up task has been successfully set up. It's important to note that follow-up tasks are intentionally kept private and will not appear on your project view to avoid unnecessary clutter. Instead, you'll find them nestled in the My Tasks section of your Asana dashboard. Here, they'll sit alongside your other personal tasks, acting as a reminder just for you. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've harnessed the power of Asana to keep your tasks organized and on track. Remember, employing follow-up tasks effectively ensures nothing slips your mind or your schedule. Thank you for watching, and happy Asana organizing.